Hi there, welcome to Stockton Kia. Today we've got the Toyota RAV4 XL model. It's a 2.5 litre CVT hybrid, all-wheel drive. It's a fantastic looking car, great spec level, featuring like a metallic sort of burgundy, kind of maroony colour, really suits the car well. Being the hybrid, you've got the blue inlets into the Toyota badge at the front, colour-coded sensors in the front as well, integrated into that bumper section. Great daytime running lights. It's a really good sized family SUV, automatic as well. Going down the side then we've got the 18-inch 5-spoke sort of chromed finished alloy wheels. Again, give that more striking appearance. Nice rugged feel as well with the way the wheel arches are aligned. Interior then, what makes this car really special is the interior on it. So you've got things like your memory seats, it's full leather trim throughout. The vehicle itself's only done 22,258 miles. Lovely car, lovely finish as well, very well maintained, very well looked after. Got some great features like your dual climate air conditioning. Also got your heated front seats, high and low settings, sat nav, or your DAB radio. Options on here, so your cruise options on here, lane assist, or your steering audio controls. Really touch user-friendly system. It also incorporates the reversing camera as well. So it's a colour reversing camera. All these nice features here. Comfortable armrest and flexible drive mode for that all-wheel drive system. So you've got your sport, eco, and your trial and direct EV mode as well. So if you're going into congestion areas, then you can actually have the direct EV mode on the car. So then it is a practical SUV, this RAV4. Ideal for family use, business use. Come around the back then, so as mentioned, you've got the reversing camera. It's got the colour-coded sensors into that lower section of the bumper. And it also has that power tailgate, which is handy if you're juggling things like shopping, suitcases, kids with the buggies maybe. But look how much space you've got. It's a nice flat level boot space. Bags and bags of space in here. Loads of room for mountain biking, if you've got golfing, a hobby, fishing, anything like that. You've got loads of room in this car to cater for that. So then coming around to this side for the passengers. You can see with this kind of car you have got bags of legroom in the back, nice and comfortable. Again, that full leather trim. Nice twin centre armrest in the middle. Very well looked after this car, beautiful condition inside and out. There's many finance options on this RAV4 hybrid. So no information you'd like to know if you're interested in this particular model, do get in contact with us here at Stockton Kia. My name is Matthew. I'd be more than happy to assist you with your inquiry.